Hello everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel SAP EWM Vlogs. This is Banu Teja. I'm back with the new topic today. So that is how to execute the scrapping in SAP EWM. Okay, how to execute the scrapping process in SAP EWM. So basically, when coming to this topic, scrapping. So what we suddenly realize. Scrapping means the products which are damaged. Okay, they will be scrapped for use. Okay, for example, I give you the small understanding. Okay, see, for example, I give you a small example. For in our company, we have ordered some laptops. Okay, I give you the example of laptops. For suppose we have bought from some 2000 laptops. Okay, 2000 or 1000 laptops for the use, and during the inspection we have found some laptops have been damaged or it is a poor quality. So in this cases what we have to do, so we can't able to use them. So in this cases we have to proceed to the operation scrapping process. Okay, so how that will be done? Okay, so I will show you the process here. So and first of all we have to create um, a purchase order. Okay, so I'm creating one of the material. Okay, I create the laptop, HP laptop. Okay, and here I create the industry as mechanical engineering, and the material type I will take as raw material. Okay, and here I have selected the views: basic view data 1, data 2, sales organization data 1, sales organization data 2, sales general plan data, purchasing, and general plan data storage 1, and general plan data storage 2, accounting 1, accounting 2, and warehouse management execution, warehouse management packaging, and click on continue. So here enter the plant Hyderabad, store location is receive on dock, and sales organization is MESO, and distribution channel is MG. Okay, so first of all we have to create this material in ERP side. Okay, I mentioned the same description, and unit measures each material group, and so basic data 1. After completion of basic data 1, proceed to basic data 2 and press enter. Now here we have to enter the sales organization data, tax indicators. I'm mentioning all zeros, press enter. General item category is norm, and item category group is norm, and no RM norm, press enter. And availability check is 01. 01 daily requirements, and loading group will be 001, press enter, and again press enter. And purchasing group, if you want to enter MG, you can mention this, press enter. And in the accounting view you have to mention the valuation class as 3000, and price control is V. Okay, moving average price, I mentioned the unit price is like 15,000. Okay, for one laptop. And okay, that's all. We have extended all the views. Click on create yes to create the material. So the material is created, and now we have to extend this material to other store locations. So execute /n MMSC. Here enter the material code, that means material name, and plant is MEHY, and press enter. Okay, so here we have to enter available for sale and save it. So from ERP side I have created this material, and in EWM side I have to create this material as product master record. So what is the transaction? Slash and slash scwm slash mat1. Enter the description, warehouse number, and party entitled to dispose, and click on create. Okay, so here I mentioned in put away control indicator as PTWI, simple put away, and stock removal I mentioned as pick. Okay, and save it. It's a normal material. Okay, now we purchase it. For creating the purchasing order, we have to execute this transaction code ME21N and press enter. Okay, here enter the supplier code. It's nothing but vendor code. In header data, we have to enter this purchase organization and purchasing group and company code, which comes under organization data. Okay, purchasing group, company code is Mega. After filling in all these details, now coming to item overview, enter the material. What is the material? HP laptop. I'll purchase some 100 quantity, 100 laptops. Yeah, net price will be 15,000. Okay, it's plant for which plant? Hyderabad. And I will receive one doc. Now coming to the confirmations. In item details, go to the confirmation tab. So under confirmation control, select this inbound delivery and save it. So successfully we have created this purchase order. Okay, now we will create the inbound delivery. So the transaction code is VL31N. VL31N. Okay, enter the supplier code, purchase order, delivery date, time, some identification ID, and here we are purchasing 100 quantity. So click on save to create the inbound delivery. Okay, so now inbound delivery is created. Note this number. So inbound delivery and purchase order is created in ERP side. Now let us process this inbound delivery in EWM side. Okay, the transaction code is slash and slash scwm slash prdi. Press enter. So here select this entry document number ID, which is belongs to inbound delivery. Enter inbound delivery number. Execute. Now click on unload. Click on push it. Yeah, unloading goods ship is completed. Now click on inbound delivery following functions warehouse task. Okay, so in the warehouse request tab, click on create it. So the normal warehouse process type is 1010 for put away. Click on create and save it. Oh, we have to select this one. Click on create. So it is moving from GR staging area to the main hierarchy storage type ME10, and the bin is ME10-01-04. Okay, -04-01. Okay, how much quantity? 100 quantity. If you want to see the details, you can see the full details. Okay. Okay, now click on from source. We have from source bin is GR staging area, that is GR zone, and destination is hierarchy storage bin ME10-01- sorry ME10-01-04-01, 100 quantity each. And now save it. So warehouse question is created, warehouse sort is created, and confirm the warehouse task. So now warehouse sort is open, and here you can see okay, and yeah, you can see here source bin and destination bin, stock type is F1, and owner, disposal party, activity area, and inbound delivery number, unit measure, first process type. Okay, so product is HP laptop, warehouse task. Now so here if you want to pack in HU, you can click on go to pick HU, click on create, and click on create, and you can enter the HU material code, and if you create it, HU will be created and you can pack it. But present I'm not using the HU, I'm not packing this material, simply I'm storing directly in the high rack bin. Okay, so now click on confirm, select this line item. Now click on confirm and save it. Okay, now put away is done. Okay, so now let us check the material where it is stored. So enter the transaction code //SCWM slash monitor. Press enter. So here, go to the stock and bin, go to available stock. Okay, enter the product name HP laptop and execute. How much quantity stored? Physical stock. See in the bin. In so this bin ME10-01-04-01, the 100 quantity is stored. Okay. Now I found okay, the task is done successfully. Put away is done successfully. We have stored the material in the hierarch storage bin. But suddenly, when I am doing the quality checking for this stock, okay, so I have found that 10 laptops have been damaged. Okay, so what I have to do? So I want to make, I have to keep them into the blocking block type. Okay, I want to send them into the block storage type. I mean, okay, block storage bin. Okay, otherwise you have to mark the same 10 quantity in the same bin as a block stock in the same storage type, the same bin. I have to mark the 10 quantity as a block storage type. So how we do this? I will show you now. Okay, now go to the new one. Okay, so here enter the transaction code //SCWM slash add GI. Okay, so here we have to enter this transaction code. Press enter. So here enter this material code HP laptop. Okay, so here select the reader button, display stock list, and under the processing against the share process select scrapping. Okay, now execute. Okay, so oh my god, first of all we have to do one thing, not this one. We have to move the 10 amount of stock into the another storage bin. For that one we have to execute //SCWM slash add prod. Okay, or post, sorry, post. So here we enter this material HP laptop, execute. So here select this mask change. So I'm setting 10 quantity, Whereas process type is 9999, and target stock type is B6. B6 stands for, here you can see blocked warehouse. Okay, so now click on continue. Now click on create and save it. See, 10 quantities reduced. Now go to the monitor. So here click on refresh. See here, the 10 quantities into the B6 blocked warehouse type. The same storage bin, but have marked this 10 stock as a blocked stock. Okay. Now I will want to scrap this 10 quantity. How to scrap? So just only I told you we have to use a transaction code //scwm slash add gi adgi. Press enter. So here we have to enter product HP laptop and select this checkbox. Select scrap stock only. Now display stock. Select this. Uh, Select this radio button. Display stock list and GI process. Against GI process, select scrapping. Okay. So now execute. See here. So this stock I'm going to make the scrap. If you click on post goods issue, it will be post for the scrapping. If you have still doubt that out of this 10 quantity, only some quantity, I mean out of 10 laptops, 5 laptops are being doubtful whether their quality is good or not, then you can post partially. Okay, you can post the stock in partial process. Okay, if not entire quantity is in damage, then you can post all this quantity to the scrapping directly. So now I will select this entry and I will post goods issue. See, warehouse task is created. So now what I have, so now come to monitor. So what happens with this 10 stock? It would be disappeared. This 10 quantity stock which is in block is done for scrapping. Now if you refresh, you can see it is disappeared. What happened to the 10 stock? It has gone for scrapping. Okay, so this process is completed in EWM side. If you navigate to this transaction SCWM/ADGI, if you click on refresh, you can see it is disappeared. Now if you go to the ERP side, if you check in MB51, okay, if you check in MB51, the material document will be posted. So here enter the material, plant code, and the posting date is 7th August. Okay, now execute. See here, the 10 quantity is scrapped. So if you want to see the details, the moment type will be 551. Okay, so if you go to the FI documents, if you go to the accounting document, you can see the transaction event case is BSX GBB. Okay, BSX and GBB. And the 10 quantity is being scrapped. Okay, the amount is 1,50,000 for all the stock, and scrapping is been done successfully. So that will be reflected to the ERP. using the QRSC connections. So that scrapping document will be reflected to the ERP side. Okay, and come back. Previously, we have done uh, stock posting from unrestricted to blocked, right? Then the movement type 4344 will be triggered. We have done uh, slash and slash SEWM slash post transaction, right? Okay. In the before step, we have done that activity slash and slash SEWM slash post. Then uh, we have make the transaction for uh, moving the 10 stock 10 amount of quantity into the blocked area. Okay, you can see the movement type is 344. That means transfer from unrestricted to blocked. Okay, so in this process the movement type 344 will be generated. So that is also reflected from EWM to ERP side. Okay, and okay, mm, that's it, guys. This is about the scrapping. So if you can see the diagram, see here. See here what will happen in warehouse. Just we have done the transactions, right? So let us check the overview once. So the warehouse staff will check the stock, damaged or defective. Material will be identified during inspection, and the scrapping request will be made in the system, and the warehouse stocks will be created. Physical movement is done from unrestricted to scrap, and after scrapping is done, the movement type will be triggered in the system as 551. From EWM to ERP, it will be reflected. Okay, just I have shown you the document in MB51, and here you can see the business scenario. Okay, and these are the steps: identify damaged material, scrap request in EWM. So warehouse task will be created, moving the stock to the scrap bin, confirming the warehouse task, and the goods issue will be triggered to the ERP system with the movement type 551. Okay, that's about the scrapping. So hence we have done this task successfully. And if you like the video, please subscribe and share this video to your colleagues. And I will be come with a new topic in the next video. So until take care, see you, bye bye, thank you.